Hello my friends, here astrology forecast for Gemini in June 2014, and this month can very strong energy, very strong influence of Gemini, because June it's date of birthday of people of Gemini, and it means that you are like a king in many situations of this June. You, like a main person, you decide what to be and what not to be, and this very strong power of your decision, it will be maximum in 17 June. It will be I think it will be most powerful day for all months, because this day opens the gate of new opportunities, new vision of life, new ideas, and it's new ethic, new feeling. And another moment that you have very strong money situation, it can be some kind of risk, some kind of crazy heavy situation. 14-15 June, it's maybe you find some kind of conflict inside you. 12 and 30 June, it will be like you don't have you don't rule situation. 12 and 13 June, Moon will stay in Sagittarius, and it's your opposite sign. It means you don't have private powerful to realize to rule situation, and like powerful have Sagittarius, and you have some problem to rule situation, and this broken situation maybe you have in 13 June, but 14 and 15 June it will be a lot of strong energy. But this energy, maybe you don't rule it, but you can play with this big power. You can play with this. It's like, I don't know, like playing with some kind of bomb. Because it's really this energy 14 and 15, it's a lot of powerful in this energy, and this energy can you can play with this, and if you have children, this energy can help you. This energy can give you some money for your children. 14, 15, for example, and maybe it can some kind of risk, some kind of I don't know, situation of casino when you try to win, and you win. It's like, it can be like crazy money situation for you. Not let's see, I don't know how it will be, but maybe you write your comments or your vision. And another moment you need to be careful, 24, 25, 26 June, because you have a lot of energy inside you, but it's very conflict days, and for you it's not so easy to be softly, to be, it's like very impulsive energy these days, 24, 25 and 26 June, and please be careful. And after this 27 it will be new moon, and 28 it's very happy time, 29 it's very lovely energy inside you, inside people, very heartily, and 30 June it's very open, lovely energy of Cancer. It will be too. Only these few difficult days, 20 to 26, it can be some kind of chaotic, some kind of conflict inside. And I think this is full story. Thank you for watching this video. I am Pavel Chudinov from Siberia. Bye bye my friends, and we'll be happy to see your likes.